It's also my expectation that with the availability of potable water in this area now, new investors will take advantage of the flagship program to establish small and medium-scale factories in addition to the already established poultry farm, in order to open up the area for investment, provide employment opportunities for the youth, and improve the local economy. The Community Water Agency, Sanitation Agency, is mandated to ensure that the Water for Productive Use program, instituted to link the 1D1F factory initiative, is implemented to support small-scale industries. Government will not relent in its efforts to increase access to water for all, a manifesto commitment which remains a key priority. Government has secured funding for 2 other rural-based water supply projects to increase access to potable water in rural communities. These are the Rural Communities and Small Towns Water Supply Project, otherwise known as the Aqua Africa Water Project, which will benefit 150 communities in the Ashanti, Eastern, Greater Accra, Oti, and Volta regions, and Phase 3 of Water Supply Scheme for Central Tongo, Adaklu Anyigbe, Agotimia, Ziopi districts, and the whole municipality. In addition, government, through the Ministry of Sanitation and Water Resources, has awarded contracts for the construction of 645 mechanized borehole systems nationwide. It is noteworthy that the Community Water and Sanitation Agency, since 2017, has engaged 1,152 professionals made up of engineers, hydrogeologists, water quality specialists, accountants, community relations officers, and revenue staff to ensure that the water systems are properly managed and maintained. I encourage inhabitants in the beneficiary communities with requisite skills in water systems management to take advantage of the employment opportunities created by the provision of these water